Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be a different video. I'm in a different location. I'm at my grandmother's house. Big up my brother Rochester. But this video is going to be an iPhone case collection video, so I don't show you that one yet. I want to show you the different phone cases that I have and phone cases that I would recommend. So the phone that I have is the iPhone 6 Plus, and this is the silver one. Silver or white, and it has a little crack here. Actually I have a glass screen on it, so that's what that is. So the very first one that I'm going to show you is, I have several, I have a lot, is this glass case. Not glass, this see-through case here. Let me put this on vibrate. The see-through case, and it just goes on. See the case here, and it just goes on. And it looks like this on the phone, and it just shows up the true color of the phone. So I really love this case, but it doesn't really protect it, but it just shows up the phone, and it gives the phone a little bit of grip. So that's a see-through case, which I do recommend. I really recommend any any silicone case. Then this other case is like a gray one, as you can see when I put it on. It's just gray. And my friend has an iPhone 6, and she has a Spigen case, and the Spigen cases are shockproof. At the corners, the four corners, these aren't. And this one, it came with the phone, so I'm not sure if the owner purchased it on eBay or what, but it's just a plastic case, like a true rubber plastic case. This first one I bought on eBay, and this one came with the phone, so I don't know what it is about. Then this other one is like a hard plastic. Bought this on eBay as well, and it's one of those like hard ones, so you just slip it in and slip it down. But I'm no longer a fan of cases that I have to squeeze it down, because I'm afraid it's going to pop out the buttons. So I'm really afraid to put these on, but this is what it looks like. It's half on-ish, but it just looks like this. I'm really afraid to put it on, guys, like seriously afraid. Then the next one is one I've been wearing for about a week now, and this plastic is a little bit sturdier. It's just like the wine case, so it's a little bit sturdier. And this I've been wearing now for a really long time, for about a week or so. And this again doesn't have the shockproof thing like the Spigen cases does. It's just like a clear plastic, but it is more durable. And this I bought off of eBay for, I think, between $1 and $5, this one, and it's more durable than these two. These two are like really flimsy. These two, I don't know if you can tell, but it's not as flimsy, you know, it's not as flimsy. So that's 4. And then I have this case here, that's a hard case, that's true to the name. It's hard, protects the phone from drops, falls, and you just slip this in. But again, I don't like to I don't know, it's just a thing, because a case that I have here actually squeezed the side of my phone, and it kind of rubbed rather the side of my phone, and that just annoyed me, because I got the phone spanking new, and then that just happened, so that just annoyed me. But you just push this on and you push it up, but it's rubber inside, so it's kind of difficult to go in. But once the phone is in, it is completely protected. Then I have this other one, this plastic one, that's similar to this one, but this plastic one is frosted, and I like this one. This one isn't that bad. Oh no, I don't want to slide it on, but this is what it looks like. It's like a plastic with a cute shoe. And this I bought on eBay as well. This I got with the phone. That one I bought on eBay. Then this other one I got with the phone, and again, it's one of those that you have to kind of slip in, but once it's covered, like the phone is protected. But look, it no longer works. It's just not, it's not magnetizing. I guess it's no longer magnetized IDK, but it's not anymore. It's just not. So I don't wear this, I don't use this again. I used this for about 3 days, and then when I took my phone out of it and switched cases, when I put it down in my little stash, I saw just this was just open, and it couldn't close. This case is cute in theory. You see how it's running down? It's cute in theory, but it is horrible. I put this on my, this is the case that etched out the side of my phone. I put this case on and I could not take it off. Anytime I put this case on my phone, it was so difficult to get off. Mommy? Yeah, so it etched out the side of my phone and that really upset me. So I don't use this case again at all. So the next phone is this one. I bought this on eBay for like $5. This is what the phone looks like in it, and it is huge. But I like it because I feel like it protects the phone because of how thick it is. So if the phone falls, honestly it might pop out, but I really like this case. And the case I'm currently using is this Hello Kitty one. This is what it looks like in the case, and it feels flimsy. This one feels way sturdier than this one, and both these I bought on eBay. Hi guys, so my camera kept on shutting off because the low battery light was flashing, so hence why I have this flyer up. That's advertising, of course, left from the right, which I'm on for this Saturday. But also I want to say about those last two phone cases, the Hello Kitty and the this is not a Moschino toy, the brown teddy bear. For those two ones, you see the up button and the down button, they're very easily accessible on the side, as well as the sleep button, the button that locks the phone, not sleep, but the button that locks the phone, very accessible on the side. The only button that's hard to get to is the toggle button at the corner, at the side as well, that mutes or unmutes the phone or whatever you have that function for. Just that button that goes up and down on the left hand side of the screen phone, that's the only part that's hard to get to. But in terms of turning up the phone, you can do that from the case. You don't have to take off the case to do that. And turning down the phone, same thing. And of course, put the button to, what do you call it, to lock the phone and to open the phone or whatever, to lock the phone, the button on your right hand side, that one is easily accessible as well through the case itself, so you don't have to take the case off to do that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please join me for this concert. It's going to be this Saturday. I'm actually uploading this out of sync with my other YouTube videos because I had something planned for today, but I decided not to, and to just upload this so that we'll have ample time to prepare for this Saturday, as in so that you guys would know about it. It's a free concert. Please come out and try to support you guys. It's in Greater Portmore. It's in Jamaica, of course, and it's a free concert. As long as you reach up a Greater Portmore, if you reach like 6:30 or so, you're going to see a pack out and beer shillings and beer things. So yeah, the concert is left, wrong, do right. Please do not forget to show your support. It's absolutely free. We start at 6:30 promptly.